County. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County, northern Fayette County, Indiana, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dublin, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Richmond, Connersville, Centerville, Cambridge City, Hagerstown, Dublin, Waterloo, Milton, Greens Fork, East Germantown, Mount Auburn, Metalfield, Jacksonburg, Interstate 70 exit 145, Bentonville, and Vincennes. This includes I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 134 and 151. Now here is the official national